Click on the link below to get price. Welcome to the world of outdoor adventure. Today we're diving into the exhilarating realm of the ANDSKY Apex50 Electric Bike. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill e-bike. It's a carefully engineered machine designed to elevate your outdoor experiences. Whether you're hunting in the rugged wilderness, navigating through unforgiving off-road landscapes, or simply exploring the breathtaking beauty of nature, the Apex 50 is here to enhance every moment. So, let's dive deep into what truly makes the Apex 50 stand out in the crowded e-bike market. First and foremost, let's talk about the exceptional all-wheel drive, or AWD system. Imagine this. You're tackling a muddy trail after a rainstorm, and your standard bike would struggle, but not the Apex 50. This advanced AWD system enhances traction and performance on any terrain, ensuring that you can conquer those challenging rough trails and steep hills with confidence and ease. Now, you might be wondering, how does it perform over long distances? Well, you'll be thrilled to know that the Apex 50 comes equipped with not just one, but two original 52V 25Ah batteries. That's right, each battery works independently, which means you have the flexibility to swap them out whenever needed. Picture yourself deep into the woods. The sun is setting, and you're having the time of your life. No need to worry about running out of power. You'll have a backup battery ready to go, so you can extend your adventure and soak in the beauty around you. But let's get to the heart of this beast, its power. This bike boasts a dual motor system, delivering a jaw-dropping peak power of 3,000 watts. What does this mean for you? Well, tackling steep inclines of up to 40% is not just possible. It's a breeze. With a torque of 190 Newton meters, you'll experience impressive acceleration and unmatched off-road capability. And let's not forget about the exhilarating top speed of 35 miles per hour. Every ride on the Apex 50 promises to be thrilling, yet you can maintain control and stability. How incredible is that? But what's speed without comfort, right? Here's where the advanced shock absorption system comes into play. With both front and mid-mounted shock absorbers, the Apex 50 ensures a smooth ride, even when pushing through the bumpiest terrains. Say goodbye to fatigue. This bike minimizes bumps and jolts, allowing you to savor those long rides without discomfort. Imagine cruising along a rocky trail and feeling the bike glide effortlessly beneath you. That's the kind of experience you can expect. Safety is paramount in outdoor adventures, and the Apex 50 doesn't compromise. It features an enhanced braking system equipped with dual-piston forged hydraulic brakes, providing a staggering 30% more effective braking compared to traditional disc brakes. Picture yourself speeding down a hill or navigating steep descents. With these brakes, you can enjoy quick and reliable stops, ensuring your safety even at high speeds. Plus, the bright brake colors not only add a touch of style, but also serve as a visual reminder of this bike's advanced braking capabilities. Now, let's talk about versatility, one of the defining features of the ANDSKY Apex 50. It's designed for those who demand durability and performance. Whether you're tackling challenging terrains, embarking on long-distance rides, or even navigating your daily commute, this e-bike is engineered to deliver an unmatched riding experience. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking thrills or an outdoor explorer wanting to soak in nature, the Apex 50 has got you covered. Currently ranked number 318 in adult electric bicycles and number 124019 in sports and outdoors, this bike has been receiving rave reviews from riders like you. With an impressive rating of 4.8 stars from 9 reviews, it's clear that people are thrilled with their experience. So, if you're ready to elevate your outdoor adventures, the ANDSKY Apex50 Electric Bike is waiting for you. Imagine feeling the wind in your hair as you conquer new trails, the rush of adrenaline as you speed downhill, and the serenity of exploring the great outdoors. Embrace the thrill, conquer the trails, and enjoy every ride. Your adventure starts now. Are you ready to take the plunge into the exhilarating world of the ANDSKY Apex 50? Let's get out there and make some unforgettable memories. Click on the link below to get price.